Okay, we have here the 2014 Forest River Vengeance triple axle 41-foot toy hauler with a 12-foot garage in the back for toy hauling. I'm gonna do a quick run through of it. Got the Cummins 5500 generator there. Got storage here that goes through from one end to the other. Got 3 pop outs on this one. There's a bedroom one, living room one, and a kitchen one. Like I said, triple axle. Here's the garage section in the back. There's a place to put gas in for the generator, and then there's also a pump that comes out to there to fill your toys up with a hose. So here's the back, drops down. It also goes level. Some people are doing it for a porch, but for this I have it drop down. Coming to the back, it's 12 feet long, 8 feet wide, approximately 6.5 feet tall. Once all this stuff is jacked up, so we put toys in. We've got sitting areas, some storage area that slides out right here. There's a whole bed area here. Come on in through here. Here's that storage I was talking about. Got a switch there that'll lift all this up for about 6.5 feet of height room. Got a stereo here with speakers that are inside and outside that you can turn on and off. Washer and dryer hookups there. First door here. Go through this glass door, slide in here. You've got these recliner style chairs with the island center. Got a spot for a TV here with Bluetooth speaker. Here's that third pop out I was talking about. There's the kitchen, slides out. There's a sleeping area up here. Pretty good size with a ladder to climb up. Here's the fridge and freezer, lots of cabinets. Nice propane stove, propane. And there's that good old microwave there with some storage under here. And as we work our way up through this first hallway, there's a pop out for the bedroom that comes out for the master bedroom. Lots of storage with a shorter queen size bed, but enough room for me to walk over on this side. And we go into the bathroom. Good size shower here. Definitely a good trailer to haul your toys in, go camping with all the family on the weekends, or even live in. Definitely lived in it for a good bit. And here we are back to the kitchen. I'll get one side view of, here's the other door. I'll catch this side view. There she is, 2014 Vengeance Forest River toy hauler, 41 foot.